In a deeply polarized America, a federal judge's injunction against a controversial government plan ignites a high-stakes battle intertwining the lives of a principled civil servant, a relentless journalist, and a cunning political operative, Evelyn Parker. A dedicated mid-level analyst at the U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID, committed to humanitarian missions, Jake Thompson. An investigative journalist for a major newspaper, known for uncovering political scandals, Martin Hayes. A shrewd political strategist and advisor to the current administration tasked with implementing the Resignation incentive program, the unveiling. The nation is abuzz as the administration announces a deferred resignation program offering financial incentives for federal employees to re-sign the plan, spearheaded by the newly established Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE. Under the leadership of tech mogul Elon Musk, aims to streamline government operations. Evelyn Parker receives the fork in the road memo, prompting her to choose between her career and the enticing offer simultaneously. Jake Thompson senses a deeper story and begins his investigation. The injunction as the deadline for the resignation program approaches. Several labor unions file lawsuits, alleging the program violates the Administrative Procedure Act. U.S. District Judge George O'Toole Jr. issues a temporary injunction halting the program pending further hearings. Evelyn, torn between her dedication to USAID's mission and the uncertainty of her position, becomes a focal point in the unfolding drama. Jake uncovers internal memos revealing the administration's intent to downsize agencies like USAID, raising concerns about the impact on global humanitarian efforts. The confrontation. Martin Hayes, the political strategist behind the program, is determined to push forward despite the legal hurdles. He orchestrates a media campaign to sway public opinion, portraying the program as a necessary step toward efficient governance. Jake's expose gains traction, highlighting the potential risks to national security and public services if experienced civil servants like Evelyn are ousted. Evelyn faces mounting pressure from colleagues and superiors, leading her to question her future. The alliance, recognizing the gravity of the situation, Evelyn and Jake form an alliance. Evelyn provides Jake with confidential information about the program's potential consequences, including the abrupt closure of USAID clinics in over 25 countries, jeopardizing millions of lives. Together, they uncover evidence suggesting that the program's true aim is to replace non-partisan civil servants with political loyalists, undermining the integrity of federal agencies. The showdown. As the court hearing approaches, tensions escalate, public protests erupt, with citizens rallying against the perceived politicization of the civil service. Martin employs underhanded tactics to discredit Evelyn and Jake, including surveillance and smear campaigns. Undeterred, Evelyn testifies in court, revealing the internal machinations she's witnessed. Jake publishes a comprehensive article shedding light on the program's hidden agenda and the potential dangers it poses. The verdict. The court rules that the administration overstepped its authority, rendering the resignation program unlawful. The decision is hailed as a victory for the independence of the civil service. Martin faces political fallout, while Evelyn becomes a symbol of integrity and resilience. Jake's investigative work earns him acclaim, reinforcing the vital role of a free press. The reflection. Evelyn returns to her work at USAID more committed than ever to her mission. Jake continues to hold those in power accountable through his journalism. The nation grapples with the balance between efficient governance and the preservation of democratic institutions, reminded of the importance of vigilance and civic engagement.